Hi, I'm John Hullevack, and today I'm going to show you how to first find a site. Now what we need is a stick of some kind. I use a ski pole, and the next thing I do is take my sunglasses off. I can see better without them. And here's the lay of the land, right next to a bicycle trail. It's flat and it slowly slopes down with some erosion marks. It's scarred pretty well here, and I generally start by going downhill and working up. This way the ground is a little bit closer to me and it makes it easier. Now with the stick I poke at everything. I turn over rocks that need to be turned over, and the first thing you're going to find are fire-cracked rock. Once you locate one, that's all it takes basically, and you have yourself a perspective site. This looks like it's been banged on both sides. Nice little stone they use for percussion. It's tipped there. That I'll pick up on the way out. Now in these ravines, these washouts, here's some fire-cracked rock. Here's one here. You can see they're all over. These are all examples of fire-cracked rock. Now I generally do walk uphill, and then once in a while I go parallel to the slope in a crisscross. There's more. Take a look at all the little spots in the ground. Here's a piece. Nice little piece of local flint, pretty clean. That'll go in the pocket, and I'll put that in a jar marked for this site. As you can see, this is a pretty good spot. Now on the top I find lots more fire-cracked rock here. Here's where the campfire was. This I leave alone. This only started with 2 rocks just 2 years ago. And you can see how many rocks are scattered around now. They're everywhere here. Now once you get to, here's a little flake. You find flakes right mixed in with the campfire since they were right around it. That'll go in the pocket. And here's maybe not. But these look like that was like almost a secondary piece for getting it down even finer. They do get smaller than that. Excuse my hand. Now when I come up to a site like this, right where the topsoil meets the different color. It's a good site, good spot to look. And wow, here's a beauty. They're not always laying flat on the ground. They can be. Nice piece of Eastern shirt. They can be standing up straight, as some of you well know. I always stop and look, see my surroundings, check out the basic flow of the ground. So there you have it, a crash course on how to locate a site. Right on the slope. There's an awful lot to check. This spot here would probably take me real close to 45 minutes to cover, since I go over every square inch of it. This is right after the rain we had yesterday, so it's still a little wet. Nice local spot.